morning everybody. So this morning I'm going to come on and show you how to exactly measure your body parts with a measuring tape. Okay, so this is just to keep record of your progress of your weight loss, and this will show you how to measure yourself properly, and the same the first time and obviously probably 4 weeks later. Okay, so the idea obviously is to get yourself a measuring tape. These are very easy got. You can get them online for like £3 or £4. So get that first, okay? So first of all, we're going to do the neck. Sometimes there is a big difference if you have a lot of weight to lose. So it is quite literally just put it around your neck. Bring it round, hold like so, get the very end of it. Finger and thumb, like so, just pinch that where it's at. Bring it off, and then you can just read the number. And mine says 15, okay? So first of all is your neck, write down in a wee pad of paper, 15, and I do all my measurements in inches, alright? So next thing we're going to do is the chest. So this is a wee bit trickier to do on your own. So bring it around the back, bring it around the front, around the centre of your chest, just straight across your boobs, and there you go. So it shouldn't be deadly tight, but it shouldn't be loose, it shouldn't be falling down, okay? So as you can see, that's just around the centre of my chest there. And for me, that is 35.5. All right. So next thing we're going to do is the tummy area. So this is where a lot of people find it quite hard to get the same spot. So what I like to do is go for the belly button. Okay, so go for the belly button. Bring it again, round back. And the belly button is a good marker because it never moves. And just bring it around the front. And your starting point, which is on the one there, and mine is 34. All right, so next thing we're going to do is your bum. All right, so we'll get the starting point again. So depending on the size of your bum, it will be the broadest part of your bum. All right, so if you're not too sure where that's at, get a mirror. So bring it around the back. So I'd say that's probably the biggest part of my bum there, and then just bring it around the front. Nip it, and then just take your number. It's as simple as that. All right, so that's 39 for me. Okay, so we're going to do right arm, right leg. Always keep to the same side because there is a difference in the two. So once I measure the leg, the thigh, again, it is the chunkiest part of that leg, depending on what you look like. So I like to lock out that knee, and then just go for the chunkiest part of your leg. So for me, it's about there. Make sure the knee's locked out, starting point. So, and that's 23 inches for me. All right. So I want you to pay close attention. So you start from the number there, just right there. All right. So that's 1 inch, 2 inch. So a lot of people would think that they would need to start in, but that's not the case. So from there to there is 1 inch. All right. So just in case you're querying that. Okay, and then we have the trickiest part of all is the arm. And normally once you put your arm out, you will go for the thickest part of your arm. So for me, it's right there. All right, so this is a wee bit trickier. So it's a matter of just bringing that tape into the inside of your arm, bringing the other side out to meet it. And then that's just a matter of locking that arm out. And that's, for me, that's 12 inches. All right, so that's the thickest part of my arm. It is, yeah. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so if you have any questions or queries, don't forget to comment below or send me a wee message. All right, bye.